This membrane, that's the retina.
This is like so hard, this little curly thing.
Okay. And then
How
you take the scalpel
You got it?
and you
This is Naminata opening her eye, cutting it in half.
scrape it.
Gonna look at all those anatomical structures.
There we go. Nope, you're good. If you scrape the retina away, you see where it attaches to the optic nerve? Right there. That's your blind spot. You actually, there's no rods or cones there. You're totally blind in that one little spot. But you can't tell because the rest of the retina gets the image. If you scrape this all away, this shiny is called the tapetum lucidum.
I see a picture.
You ever seen a cat or dog's eyeball shine in dark?
We gotta see the process.
That's what's shining.
You should
The
hold
light
it
reflecting
down so
off
that
of the surface.
you can
hard.
And it
control it
helps them
better.
see in the dark because it reflects
Let's
the
do
light
it.
around the inside of their eyeball.
You gonna cut her voice
So
out?
they can see better.
Yeah, because like,
No, her voice is her voice is fine.
You can cut it completely
Marcy, wanna
top and bottom.
like do a little anatomy lesson here,
All right.
and I'll put it on our channel.
I've been taking pictures the whole time.
Keep going. You're doing perfect.
No, I haven't been taking pictures.
is that you in the video with me?
All right. Wow. All right. See this goo right there? That's called the vitreous humor. All eyes have that in the center of it. And it's also right here. And I'm just going to take my finger and gently scrape it out so we can see the features underneath.
What's the black part on surrounding the front of the eyeball? It's like behind.
Yes. Give me 1 second.
I'm feeling it.
This is the lens. This is what the light and the image goes through, and it is projected onto the retina. Just like we project onto the screen, it projects onto the retina. The retina transmits the image through the optic nerve to your brain and tells you what you're seeing. If you were to take the retina, which is a very fine membrane, and scrape it away, you can see where it attaches to the optic nerve, and that's actually called your blind spot because there's no rods or cones here, which are what see color and black and white. So you actually can't see anything out of that little tiny spot, but you wouldn't be able to tell. This shiny surface here is called the tapetum lucidum, and that's what helps animals see in the dark. It acts like a mirror by reflecting light around the inside of the eyeball and magnifying the light so that they can see in the dark. Now, what I want you to do is take your finger and see if you can get that lens out. It should pop right out.
Wait, it's kind of hard.
Perfect. So that's the lens.
Why is it so hard?
It's like a glass lens in a camera. And then this hole right here is the pupil. Like you have a hole in your eye. This is the hole in its eye. Now what I want you to try, this is tricky. Take your scalpel, cut the cornea off. This white part, you may have to come at it sideways like this and give little cuts like this. And go around the circle and just cut it off. Okay, so give that a try. So you want to try to cut that cornea off.